Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying facts. Open the battery report or system settings to record design capacity and current capacity so you know the gap you must close. Once done, unplug the charger and set screen brightness low, then disable sleep and hibernation so the laptop will drain fully. Make sure to note model and battery serial for later updates. This helps you decide if calibration or replacement is the right fix, and it saves time when you check firmware or power driver versions. You now perform the core maintenance. Let the battery drain to about 1 to 2% and force a full recharge to 100% in one continuous cycle. This realigns the fuel gauge and recalibrates the controller. After that, update BIOS and embedded controller firmware, because these often fix misreporting and charging logic. Reinstall the OS power drivers to clear corrupted settings. If your maker has a diagnostics or recalibration tool, run it. These tools rewrite charge tables and can restore more accurate capacity reporting. You finish by verifying results. Check the battery report for updated design versus current capacity, cycle count, and wear percentage. Compare against your initial notes. If calibration didn't help, replace the battery or seek professional cell balancing, because worn cells cannot be fixed by software alone. Make sure to test for 3 to 5 full cycles to confirm stability. If behavior is inconsistent, document logs and error codes before contacting support, as that information speeds troubleshooting and avoids unnecessary replacement costs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.